In this video, I'm going to show you how to make profits on crypto markets such as BTC and LTC trades. This strategy, I'm going to be using just trend lines and technical analysis plus moving averages alone, right? So let's get on with it. This strategy is pretty much simple. What you got to do is to set up your indicator, the moving averages first. So what we're going to do is to go over to the indicator section. I'm going to choose on the moving average on period 200 shift 0, while you apply to exponential on the method, then you apply to close, then you put in on 2 pixel, right? Then the color should be on purple, or you can use any color of your choice as long as you know what you're doing on the market. Then you use the straight line pattern, which is this first one. So what we're going to do is to draw our trend line right here. I'm going to choose on this first object, which is this one. Yeah, perfect. So firstly, let me zoom in to the market, right? Let's zoom in a little bit. So this is how we're going to be making profits, taking a sell and a buy. I'm going to draw our trend line right here. Draw our trend line. You take it from the edge of the green candle, right? Take it from the edge at this point. Okay, take it from this point, right? Then you can see, guys, that when there's a breakout, now a breakout is when this red line, this red candle goes below or crosses down below this black trend line that I just drawn, the market would sell to a given point. Although this sell might not be for a very long sell, it might not be a very long sell, but you can see that the market will sell for a short period of time and it will give you a significant amount of profits. Right now we're trading this on the 1 minute time frame, right? Or the 1 minute time frame. So you can see that immediately there's a breakout at this point right here. The market sold. I'm going to show you how to do this perfectly. Right here, you draw the trend lines. If it's one candle, okay, take a look at this. Perfect, guys. Take a look at this. At this point, take a look at the breakout. You can see you take it from the edge of the green candle. Take a look at it. The market is selling. This is perfect. This is life. Take a look at it. You can see the market sold to this point. Immediately there's a breakout, it sold, and now it's retesting again, right? It's retesting again. So what you do in a position like this, if you're in a market, let's say you met the market at this point right here, you met the market at this point right here, what you need to do first is to draw your trend line, right? Is to draw your trend line. You can see that the market is selling. Take a look. The market is selling, right? It's selling before it started buying again, right? So what you need to do is to draw your trend line from the tip, the edge of the green candle. That's when you draw your trend line. Now I'm going to show you another example so that you can see how you can take advantages with this strategy. You can make profit trading BTC and LTC, which is the crypto market. You can also try this on, the currency pairs, which is the forex market, and it actually works well. This strategy also works well, right? And it's for scalping mostly. Once you have taken that profit from the market, you exit and you wait for another better and good opportunity, right? Then how do you take a buy? To take a buy, all you need to do is to draw your trend line from the red line top. Okay, it's going to be the sell. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You draw your trend line from this point. If you want to take a buy, right, you draw your trend line from the top of the red line, which is the sell, right? You draw your trend line. Then when you see a crossing, if it cross above that line, the market is going to buy. Okay, the market is going to buy. This is a perfect strategy. I'm just showing you guys. You can see once there's a breaking right here, you draw your trend line. Okay, you draw your trend line. Once you see that the buy signal, once it crosses above this trend line, the market is going to buy. Perfect strategy, guys. Perfect strategy. It works all the time. Let me show you right here at this point. Perfect. If you want to place a buy and you are in a position in the market, you are at this point in the market, right? Let me mark it for you guys again. Perfectly. Let me mark it so you see what I'm talking about. You are in a position at this point in the market. Okay, you are at this point in the market and you want to take a buy or you want to predict if the market is going to buy. You don't know if it's sell or if it's a buy. So what you're going to do is to draw your trend line from the top of the red candle. You draw your trend line, right? You draw it from this point down. Draw it down from this point. Let me zoom in. Right? You draw it from this point. Let it touch the red candle. Okay? From this point. Perfect. Then once you see a crossing, the market is a buy. Once the green candle crosses above this line, once it break out, right, it crosses above, the market will buy. Then if it crosses below the line which you have drawn, the market will sell. Perfect strategy. It works all the time. This is a very perfect analysis, right? And you need to understand technical analysis as well if the market is at the overbought or at the oversold level. So there's a position in which this strategy may not work. Probably when the market is at the overbought, and you know that when the market gets to the overbought level, the next position is a sell, right? Is a sell. And if you see a position for a buy, even though you draw the trend lines, it may not work, right? So you know that the market is going to sell, but when you draw the trend lines, it's showing you a signal for a buy. It may not work at that point, right? So there's a certain point if the market is at the overbought or at the oversold. But if it's in the middle, the market, each price is at the middle, this strategy works perfectly. Okay guys, this is another perfect entry. You draw your trend lines from the down right here. You draw your trend lines. Okay, you can see the market is selling right now. The market is selling. Take a look at it. The market is a sell. Right? There's a breakthrough already. The market is going to sell. Let's take a look at it. The market is selling. You just cap your profit. You just take your profit, and it's a win-win, guys. Take a look at this market right now. I just draw the trend line. You can see I took it from the green candle, the edge. Immediately there was a breakdown. The market started to sell, right? And if I zoom out, you can see that the market is at the overbought, right? The market is at the overbought zone, meaning the market is still going to sell. So this is a perfect strategy for you without using indicators. You can draw your trend lines perfectly like this, and you get a good entry position, right? You get a good entry position for either a buy or a sell. And if you want to know if this is a sell market, all you got to do is to draw another trend line at the top right here. Remember, when you want to check the market if it's a downtrend or if it's an uptrend, right, you draw from the top line. You draw your trend line from the top right here. Now we can see that this market is a sell market, all right, because it's at the overbought zone. Okay, the market is at the overbought zone. So let's see if this market is going to buy right now by drawing our trend lines at this point. And if it breaks through the trend lines that is at the top right here, if this line, this red candle breaks through, the market is going to buy. But right now we're seeing that this market is a sell already, because this sell has broken through this downtrend line that I've just drawn, right? So it will eventually retest when you get to a certain point, but it would still buy again. So right now we're seeing a very big sell on this market, and if I zoom out, you can see that the moving averages right here is currently going towards the down direction, because take a look at it. At this direction is going, and it's going to go down, right? And if I zoom out, you can see now. If I check the 1 hour time frame, just to confirm this to you guys, check the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, we can see that the 1 hour time frame, this market is selling on the 1 hour time frame, right? So you can see how perfect this strategy is. The market is selling on the 1 hour time frame because the market has already bought on the 1 hour time frame. So the next thing is a sell, because take a look at it. This is a very big buy, and the market is going to sell. That's why on the 1 minute time frame, the market is selling on the 1 minute time frame. Take a look at it. So without even checking the 1 hour time frame, drawing your trend lines alone will give you a perfect entry. All right, so I believe you understand what I just said to you guys in this video, trading the crypto market. You can even use this stream strategy to trade BTC and USDT. Right, let me change this to BTC and USDT just to show you guys how perfect this strategy is always working. Right, so in a situation like this, you enter into the market and you are at this point. Right, you zoom out clearly just to check where the price is. If price is at the overbought or at the oversold, you check your 1 hour time frame to confirm your entry. You go back to the 1 minute time frame. If you are a 1 minute trader, you zoom in again. When you zoom in, you draw your trend lines. Right, I love using trend lines because they are perfect. You draw your trend lines. You want to draw it from the nearest zone, right? From the nearest zone, which is this candle right here. You want to draw it from the nearest zone. You draw it up. You make sure it touches the edge. It touches the edge right here. So you can see at this point, you need to touch the upper one, which is this one right here. You need to touch that one first. Then you draw the trend line above. Okay, so the touch don't need to be perfect, just a soft touch and you are good. Then when there is a breakout, if this red line or if the market is selling and it's sold below the trend line which you have drawn, the market will sell to give you that's a perfect signal for a sell. And if you want to check if the market will buy, all you need to do is to draw your trend line from the top of the red line, which is the sell line. You need to draw the lines from the top. You want to draw it from the nearest one, which is going to be the one at the lowest. Right, you draw it from that point, at the point right here. Draw it. Then when there is a breakout, the market will buy, because even though the market is going to retest, but it will buy. It's going to retest, but it's going to buy. If you take a look at this, the market bought and it sold again, then you see a very big buy. You see how perfect this strategy is trading the crypto market. You can use to trade the forex market as well, right? So I believe you understand what I just said to you guys with this strategy. I didn't set any parameters. I just showed you one indicator, which is the moving averages, and I showed you guys the setup for that indicator as well, right? So if you enjoyed this video and you found value in this video, do well to like and subscribe to the channel. This is the Forex for more awesome trading strategy and tips, right? I will see you guys on the next video.